Hayes from the Texas Rider YouTube channel. We're here to unbox and review a Belton Roads Daybreaker headlight. We're going to change this out today on the 2019 Street Glide. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, in this box you have the HD LED headlight. This is like the Daybreaker, it looks just like it, a lot cheaper of course. Then you have the anti-flicker air-free adapter. This is going to be your harness to go on with it. These I think are for the road glides in case you need that, which we don't need. And then the awful instructions with the pictures on here. What I'm going to read on this is the lifetime warranty and 365 days money back guarantee. So if you don't like this, chunk it. And that's what I'm about to do with the instructions, just like that. Because in this video you should be able to watch the video installing it, and since we don't have the ring, the halo ring around it, we're not going to have to do any kind of special wiring. This should be just plug and play. Should probably take about 30 minutes to do, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I like to piece everything together before we install it in the 2019 Street Glide. So you're going to take your anti-flicker and your adapter here. You're going to plug it in just like this, all the way. Make sure it's secure. This is a wire that's not needed. So you got your harness here. Then you're going to take your actual headlight, plug it in just like this, and this is what you'll have right here. So now we're ready to install the light. Okay, what I want to do is show you what the headlight looks like during the day. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. This is low beams, high beams. That's your generic light it comes with. And we're going to go ahead and install it now, so you'll be able to see the comparison. So you have one screw on the bottom that takes the outer ring off right here. We're going to go ahead and undo that. Then you have two sets here. These you don't want to mess with because it does the tilt. So any ones that have the screws like this.
And on the very top there's a wire lip that the ring sits on. You don't have to take that ring off. All you gotta do is slide the headlight underneath and it will come right out, and then you can get access to your connections from there.
You have the two wires like this, and you can use that adapter if you want to for that second one. But I'm going to go ahead and take this part off, and you're going to disconnect it from right here, where you have this plug right here, and it's going to plug right in the headlight right into here, and it should be good to go. My light, my harness, I'll go ahead and before I hook everything up, and it's just common sense, is to test it before you hook everything up. So I'm going to plug it in right here. See, it just snaps in. It's ready to go. I'm going to turn this on. Boom. Okay, after we have it plugged in, we tested everything. We're going to go ahead and drop this into the frame here. We're installing this last screw. Now I have completed the LED light Daybreaker by Belton Roads. If you would like to purchase something like this, we'll have a link down below. This will be on the txrider.com website. So thank you for watching. We'll see you then.